Introducing the modern era of sedans with the new 2024 Volkswagen Jetta. With its sleek, redefined exterior and cutting-edge technology, this sedan sets a new standard in automotive excellence. Releasing a powerful yet efficient engine, it delivers an unmatched driving experience, blending performance with sustainability. Let's find out why everyone is going mad for the new Jetta. The new 2024 Volkswagen Jetta is the future of driving, where style meets substance, and every moment behind the wheel becomes proof of the wonders of modern engineering. The 2024 Volkswagen Jetta makes a strong comeback with a wide range of technological advancements, enhanced features, and a striking new design. Despite the rise of crossovers, the Jetta remains a formidable competitor in the sedan category, defying expectations of its decline in the American automotive market. Examining the exterior of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta, you'll notice its sleek, contemporary design. This updated appearance positions it as a strong rival to other popular sedans, like the 2024 Honda Civic. The front grille has received a refresh, with the base model showcasing 4 chrome bars, and the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta Sport model sporting a black finish. Additionally, the front features LED lights on both sides, creating a distinctive circular effect. On the sides, the Sport model's dark-colored side mirrors contribute to its dynamic look, enhancing the overall sporty appeal. In contrast, the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta model's 17-inch alloy wheels boast an eye-catching design that seamlessly merges style with performance. At the back, the LED taillights not only ensure enhanced visibility, but also add a touch of modernity to the vehicle's rear profile. Complementing this, the chrome-accented fake dual exhaust brings a touch of elegance, highlighting the Jetta's refined aesthetic. The inclusion of the panoramic glass sunroof in the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta release not only floods the cabin with natural light, but also creates an airy, open atmosphere, enhancing the driving experience. Inside the Volkswagen Jetta 2024, significant enhancements are noticeable, such as the introduction of an advanced 8-inch digital driver display, adding a contemporary touch to the sedan's interior. Notably, the overall design has been revamped, offering a more spacious and refreshed feel. The use of robust, high-quality materials also contributes to a comfortable cabin experience. The 2024 Volkswagen Jetta SEL comes with faux leather door inserts featuring contrasting stitching, enhancing the interior's aesthetic appeal. The modern and luxurious ambiance further adds to the elegance of the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta interior. This accommodating space, suitable for up to 5 passengers, features an ergonomic and well-arranged layout, ensuring a comfortable and organized journey for all occupants. In addition to its high-quality materials, the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta interior boasts an array of advanced and contemporary features, including a range of upgraded technologies. The interior of the Volkswagen Jetta 2024 is equipped with a 6.5-inch MIB2 infotainment touchscreen, easily integrated with Bluetooth capabilities, 2 USB-C ports, and support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. On the upscale Volkswagen Jetta SEL model, you'll find an impressive 8-inch MIB3 touchscreen, complete with navigation features, voice recognition, HD radio, and Sirius XM radio, further enhancing the driving experience. The Jetta has plenty of space for the people in the front, giving them enough room for their heads, shoulders, and legs. The basic S model has cloth seats, which you can adjust manually, and some useful pockets in the doors, along with a big bin in the middle for your stuff. Fancy features like cool interior lights, charging your devices without wires, and seats that can get cool air are only in the most expensive models. When it comes to carrying things, the Jetta's trunk can hide 7 bags, while the Golf GTI hatchback can only hide 5. Even with the back seats down, the Jetta can take 3 more bags than the Golf, making 18 bags in total. So you don't have to worry about losing space if you choose the Jetta over the Golf. Even though the GLI version of the Jetta has a similar setup and lots of room for passengers like the regular Jetta, some parts of it are spruced up with touches of red. It comes with some fancy things as standard, like a big 10.3-inch digital display, lights inside that you can change, seats that can warm you up or cool you down, and a big sunroof that lets in lots of light. Surprisingly, this sporty Jetta is also quite practical. It has a really big trunk that can fit 7 suitcases easily. The GLI uses a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, giving you 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. In comparison, the MK8 GTI has a 241 horsepower version of the same engine. You can either go for the standard 6-speed manual transmission or choose the optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. No matter which one you pick, the GLI accelerates much faster than the regular Jetta, which has 100 158 horsepower. The GLI, with the 6-speed manual, hits 60 miles an hour in just 6.1 seconds, beating the similarly equipped Honda Civic Si by 0.7 seconds. When it comes to handling corners, the Jetta GLI offers responsive steering, powerful brakes, and a smooth ride, thanks to its adaptive dampers. However, to match the excellent cornering grip of its GTI hatchback sibling, the Jetta GLI could benefit from a set of summer tires. Given that the Jetta GLI shares its turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 2 different transmissions, it comes with separate fuel economy ratings. The standard 6-speed manual transmission is estimated to achieve 26 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Meanwhile, models equipped with the optional 7-speed automatic can expect approximately 26 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway, according to government ratings. In the Jetta lineup, the S, Sport, and SE versions come with a simple 8-inch digital gauge cluster, while the SEL model boasts a larger 10.3-inch fully customizable setup. Similarly, the S, Sport, and SE models feature a compact 6.5-inch touchscreen display with physical knobs for adjusting volume and tuning, avoiding the controversial new setup found in the Golf GTI. On the other hand, the SEL model employs a more modern infotainment interface, sporting an 8-inch display covered in glass, along with a high-quality 12-speaker stereo system. All Jetta models include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, although wireless connectivity is an add-on for most models, except for the SEL, where it's already included. Volkswagen's CarNet feature allows for gesture controls like swiping and pinch to zoom. Additionally, every Jetta can serve as a mobile hotspot, provided you're ready to subscribe to a data plan, and wireless charging comes as standard on the top 2 trim levels. The Jetta GLI comes packed with essential driver assistance technology, such as automatic high beams and lane keeping assist. Some of its key safety features include the blind spot monitor. It warns you with both visual and audible signals if other vehicles are in your blind spot. The automatic post-collision braking system engages the brakes once the airbags deploy, reducing the risk of additional damage in the event of an accident. The forward collision warning issues an alert when a front collision seems imminent, preparing and applying the brakes as needed. You might be wondering, how safe is the Volkswagen Jetta? The Volkswagen Jetta is a reliable option. It's considered a solid choice. Although its headlights prevent it from achieving a higher score, it earns points above the average for its standard crash avoidance features and its commendable 5-star rating from the NHTSA. This year, all Jetta models come with helpful safety features like adaptive cruise control, active lane control, automatic high beam headlights, blind spot monitors, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, models equipped with an automatic transmission can utilize the built-in telematics system to call for help in case of a detected crash. Volkswagen offers an above-average limited warranty lasting for 4 years or 50,000 miles. However, their powertrain coverage falls below the average, also lasting for 4 years or 50,000 miles. To balance this out, the company provides some complimentary maintenance for 2 years or 20,000 miles. With its powerful performance, advanced safety features, and impressive fuel economy, the 2024 Volkswagen Jetta stands as a reliable and stylish choice in the market. Whether you're a fan of its modern digital display or its smooth handling on the road, Jetta's blend of comfort, style, and innovation promises an unforgettable driving experience.